All right, so the Bambu Labs X1 Carbon is printing so fast. I'm often cutting print times in half, if not into a third over my Guider 2S, and sometimes into a quarter of my Creator Pro 2. And I have to say, the print quality is amazing, although I do have the occasional failure and settings that need to be tweaked still. All right, so this is a new product I actually launched a while ago. The open one here is brand new, but this I posted a while ago on the Frontier Facebook group, and it's basically just an armrest console tray to give you a little bit more storage in this cavernous armrest, because you know, like, things just get lost down there. So goes in there like that, fits perfect. Should fit pretty much every smartphone with a little bit of room to spare depending on what you got. This is a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, fairly large, fits with room to spare. You get a little bit extra divided storage there. And like I said, the other one is open in case you don't want that extra division in there. All right, so it's been a while since I've had an update on these roof light pods for the Frontier. Of course, I have double-sided tape on the insides, but it is snug enough that it'll stay in place without right now. Like I said in a previous video, I'm not a big fan of drilling through the roof. I don't like the look of running wires down the A-pillar. So I've been on the hunt to figure out an easier way to get these installed without actually having to run wires all the way to the engine bay, into the cab, or anything like that. So what I've come up with is this cheap wireless relay with a remote, and it'll get powered by one of these Milwaukee M12 style batteries. This is just a proof of concept, not a final version. Just want to test it and make sure the idea will function and operate how I expect. And then I'll eventually move to a different form factor on the battery and integrate all the relay and stuff inside, so it's a much more convenient package. All right, so the hope is the light pods will come as an assembled package. You basically just unwrap it, pull off the double-sided tape, stick it in place. The battery pack, I'm still debating on whether it'll be removable or if it'll just have a port basically to connect to and charge all in place, or if that battery pack come out and you take it inside to charge, and you can have additional ones to double your runtime or whatever, how many batteries you buy basically. But again, this is just a proof of concept to test and see if it's feasible at all. Man, I really forget how much I like the look of these light pods on the Frontier. So this is the remote. It's cheap. It's, again, just a cheap relay with a Milwaukee style M12 battery. And here's the proof of concept. Full light output. I'm not quite sure on the runtime yet, but again, that's something I can experiment with. And if I do decide to make the battery actually removable, you can carry a couple batteries that are hopefully easy to remove and reattach, so your run times can be extended. And who's to say you couldn't put a charger inside your truck somewhere as well? So it's an option, still a work in progress, but I have to say it works really good. If you are interested in the armrest tray divider, they are available at my Etsy store. You can go ahead and just type in nmotive.com or follow one of the links down in the description. Anyways, that's going to be a wrap for today. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.